So we got SMCI, guys, is pulling back toward the earnings price. If you remember, last time we have earnings was back in the 5th of May. The earnings was good, but the revenue was not that expected. Almost 2 billion suppressed down. However, this is didn't hold SMCI to squeeze after that. 1 month after from the earnings, we did 80% up. And after that, we flushed down and we gave all back the gain from the earnings. And you see what's happened here. We got the earnings right now coming up in 1 month from now. So today is still holding over the 2550. So this is the critical zone, guys, to hold. So what I expect a consolidation before the earnings here, and before 2 weeks, we might have another reversal up. This is the best case scenario, guys, holding now and going toward the 36. We remember, guys, as usual, our content always for educational purposes only. So as you can see here, we got a pullback big time, and we went back again toward our earnings price that we did almost 2 months ago. We went back to square one. So the good thing is we hold the 2550, and yeah, we got another month to at least go back toward the 36.33. So if we went there before the earnings, this means there is a huge expectation and a good positive sentiment from the investors toward SMCIs. If we jumped 15 or 30%, yes, 15 or 13% will be fantastic for a preparation for another squeeze. And once we have the good earnings confirmation, we have to go back toward the 42 and the $50 mark. So this is the good scenario, because right now we have a huge pullback. As you can see here from this trend, we kind of still in a bearish trend because we didn't break this white line. Every time we try to test it here, just around the 9th of June, we met with a huge selling pressure. Again, here we tested around the 23rd of June, we met with a huge selling pressure. Now, this time, if we broke, this time would confirm the reversal from this bearish channel and go toward the 3650, because this is the main event for SMCI to break, to go higher once again. For now, we got, yeah, as we said, the 2550 and the 2077 should be our bottom, or the other scenario, if we continue to go down, this is by far the best entry reversal for SMCI, for the market maker to add up again around this level. In the meantime, it's still light on volume, and it's not up a lot. It means we got consolidation, and what's mean by consolidation is mean we got a balance between the buyers and sellers around this area between the 30 and the 25. So far so good. And watch out for the breakout from this white line. Of course, we're gonna do update for it once we break it, once first on our Discord can be shown, and after that on our live streaming 30 minutes or 50 minutes before the market open every day. So make sure to hit the notification button and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the price of SMCI before the earnings 1 month from now. Are we gonna go toward the 36 before the earnings, or we continue to go down toward the 20 and then reverse up if we have a really good earnings? Because as we said, the good expectation, or if we have a positive expectation for the earning, we should go back at least toward the 32, and better yet, toward the 36.55.